Are you overlooking the powerhouse vegetable that could transform your health? Swiss chard is not just another leafy green, it's a vital source of nutrients that can significantly boost your well-being. Packed with antioxidants, essential minerals, and vitamins, don't wait to make a change that your body will thank you for. Start incorporating Swiss chard into your diet today and unleash its incredible health benefits. Did you know that Swiss chard ranks as the third most nutritious vegetable on the planet, trailing only behind the mighty spinach and the formidable broccoli? This leafy powerhouse is a champion of health, bursting with a spectrum of vitamins and minerals that are essential for your well-being. Don't miss out on harnessing the incredible benefits of one of nature's top superfoods. Add Swiss chard to your meals and elevate your health to new heights. Swiss chard isn't just a nutritional titan, it's a feast for the eyes too. With stems that burst into a kaleidoscope of colors, from vibrant reds to bright yellows and rich pinks. This vegetable brings a splash of color to any dish. The nutrients in Swiss chard are as colorful and diverse as its stems. Before exploring the incredible health benefits of Swiss chard, consider this. Just 1 cup of kale can exceed your daily vitamin K needs, highlighting the potent nutritional value leafy greens bring to your diet. Here are 10 main health benefits of Swiss chard. Rich in antioxidants. Swiss chard is loaded with antioxidants like beta-carotene, vitamin C, vitamin E, and flavonoids, which combat free radicals and reduce inflammation. Promotes heart health. The high levels of fibre, potassium, and magnesium in Swiss chard help regulate blood pressure and support overall heart health. Bone strengthening. With its good supply of calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K, Swiss chard contributes to strengthening and maintaining bone integrity. Blood sugar regulation. The fibre in Swiss chard can help stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing the rate of glucose absorption. Improves digestion. The fibre content in Swiss chard also aids digestion and helps prevent constipation. Supports brain health. Vitamin K in Swiss chard is essential for brain health and functioning, particularly in relation to cognitive processes. Cancer prevention. Certain antioxidants and compounds in Swiss chard have been linked to reducing the risk of various cancers due to their anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties. Enhances immune function. High levels of vitamins A and C boost the immune system and help the body fend off infections. Eye health. Swiss chard contains carotenoids such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health and can help reduce the risk of macular degeneration. Skin protection. Vitamins C and E, along with the antioxidants in Swiss chard, contribute to skin health by potentially protecting against UV damage and improving skin's resilience and appearance. Easily incorporate Swiss chard into your diet by sautéing it with garlic, blending it into smoothies, adding it to salads, mixing it into omelets, or stirring it into hearty soups. We've explored the incredible versatility and health benefits of Swiss chard, a true nutritional powerhouse. Whether you sauté it, blend it into your morning smoothie, or toss it into a vibrant salad, Swiss chard is an excellent addition to your meals. If you're inspired to make Swiss chard a part of your diet, or have other creative ways to use it, don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and insights on how to enhance your health with nature's best offerings.